Hey guys, just wanted to show you this little work cart I got here. It's pretty handy if you're working on small equipment and it's hard to pick it up and put it on a bench. So I got this little lift cart. It's got some tires on it right now because I'm just using it to raise these reels up and down to grease things. But it's a little 300 kg. So I figure that's around 450, 500 pounds. Power Fist brand. So this is a cheap one. It's from Princess Auto. And what you do is it's got a foot pedal right there, and it's got a release right there. So you pump this baby up with your foot. It has a little hydraulic jack mounted in the middle of it. And you pump it up with your lawnmower or your whatever you've got to work on it. And down under here, a little ram and a scissor, and she lifts up just like a hoist. I think the height on this is about 3 feet. I'll show you here. So we're at about max. So yeah, 2.5, 3 feet maybe. Like that. Then you can roll this thing around with your piece of work on it, and when you want it to come down, you just squeeze this lever here and she collapses. It's kind of a neat little tool to have. Really handy if you're in a shop by yourself for picking stuff up, moving things. I wouldn't recommend you use this for lifting transmissions and such out of the bottom of equipment, but for small stuff it's almost stupid not to have one. Thanks for watching.